my name is Alex Porter, and I want to participate in the Tennessee Governor's School for Technological Innovation and Business Leadership because I believe it is a good place to grow and gain experience. My passion for technology and business drives me to learn and grow in a place that fosters innovation and leadership. I have been interested in learning more about business and developing strong leadership skills, as these skills are essential to have success in any field. Tennessee Governor's School offers a unique place to learn from experienced leaders and work with peers. I am excited to do projects and discussions with peers that will help me grow as a leader and that will change my thinking. In addition to my interest in leadership, I believe that developing technological skills will help in many ways because it can help solve real-world problems. I hope this program will help deepen my understanding of technological advancements and how they work in businesses. In conclusion, my desire to participate in the Tennessee Governor's School stems from my passion for developing leadership skills and technological